Hi everybody and welcome back to Faded Crafts, and today we're working in our vintage British Seaside journal and it's all about the good old donkeys. As usual, we have a print pack. And I will be using some of those prints today to make a 4-page spread. Print packs are available over on my Patreon. They are come free for paid members and they're also available in the shop. But don't worry guys, because there's also lots and lots of freebies available over in our Facebook group too. So that's what we'll be working with today, this little pack here. We also have this pack here, which is getting right chunky now. This is all the bits and pieces that I print off that I haven't used yet. And what at the end of the journal, we'll be giving that away to a lucky viewer. And we also have a bag of bits and pieces of material and other bits of prints to use too. So without further ado, let's design the 4 pages. And before we get into that, let's have a quick recap. In our last episode, we managed to put in our first signature. I put the rivets into there. We've made a little beach hut there. We have our Brighton canvas works. We've got our beach huts, our Seaside sweet shop with our hidden pocket. That was all in last video, this one, all to do with the sweet shop. Got little pull-outs, interactive elements. And then off camera, I've made this little envelope here. I've yet to decorate it a little bit more. And what this holds is all the spare tags, tweeties and everything that in the journal that you can, whoever gets the journal, interact with it, change things out, put things where they want to. So that is what we're doing. We're working on our first 4-page spread of our second signature, and I'm going to use this, which I printed out like I normally do for this. Again, my printer's messed up again. I don't know why it's doing that. I'll have to have it looked at. These are going to be our 4 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to go with some lovely. If you don't know what this is, guys, and you might have seen it in the prints there, in Britain, the donkey bridles always used to have these lovely patterns on them, and they come with like little bells, and they're all like braided and interwoven, and they looked like little brass things on them. They looked absolutely beautiful, and they're like dangly little things on them. But we're going to do it in this 4-page spread about donkeys. We'll be decorating the edges up with lots of these. That's the first thing we're going to do. I'm going to reinforce down the middle again with some washi tape glued down as usual. What have we got in here today then? Let's have a look through. What are my plans? What are my plans indeed? Well, the first thing I think we're going to do, might have to trim that down, guys. I might have to take off these edges here. It's going to be our stable. Yeah, I'm definitely going to trim that down, because our book's getting a little bit chunky now. And we're going to make a cut in here. And if you've seen on the prints, and I'll show you in here, we have little donkey heads. And I'm going to stick on some little bits of paper so you can interchange whatever donkey you feel like. And we've got Toffee, we've got Silver, spare one there, we've got Daisy, Pebble. I love Pebble. What a name, Pebble. 2 stuck together here, hang on. Fingers. And Midnight. We have several different donkeys there. You can interchange into the donkey stable, which I thought was quite cute. I'll trim that down and we'll put that on there. We have a donkey feed bag with some lovely tags. We've got a carrot, an apple and some hair. I'll probably make the cut here so I can feed in the tags that way. We've got that. These I'm going to cut out into circles, and I'm going to put a brad through all of them so we can attach them to a page somehow, so you can pull the circles out. That's what we're going to do with that. And we've got some lovely fussy cuts, and inside this we're going to have Oops, come on. 2 nice journal spaces. Yeah, I know I'm covering this up, guys, but that's fine at the moment. I basically just print these out so that you watching the video can see what they look like. And we're trying to keep this a little bit thinner now. So those are going to go in there. We'll be attaching our circles onto that page, I should imagine. That will go on the front and our feedback will go on the back. So here we go with a bit of speed up crafting. Okie dokie, guys, here we are with our lovely, lovely stable on the front, and I've really inked up and vintage this because, let's face it, stables are dirty. And we're going to have interchangeable donkeys. So what you do is you don't glue it all the way down. You can see there, or you can slip them in. They hang over the top there. So that's Pebble, and I've done Midnight as well. You can also use the back of these as little journaling spots. And I'll put the rest of the donkeys like that in that envelope at the back of the journal. There we go. Isn't that cute? I love that idea. I really do. On the inside, we have our 2 plain journaling spaces, and we also have our spinny out donkeys. My fingers aren't very good, guys. You'll be able to do it better than me. So you can spin them all out and have a look at them. But also on the reverse, you have space for secret journaling as well. I love that idea. And I got a lovely little brad that looks like the sea. All nicely decorated up. And we have lovely feathery. Hopefully this one will fray a bit as well with you. So it's starting to fray. It'll look lovely like that. It just reminds me of the donkey saddles. And in the print pack, I don't know if you noticed the print pack, but it has like several different blanket textures you can use in your journal too. And the last page is our lovely donkey feed with our beautiful tags at the top. The hare, carrot, and the apple, which you can also write on there, and you can also write on the backs of them as well, guys. So that is our donkey 4-page spread, and isn't it lovely? I really enjoyed making this one, and I really love the interactive little donkeys in the stable too. Once we finish the Seaside journal, we'll be moving on to a huge project that's going to actually literally take me years to complete. And this is the British Heritage Journey. I have made one little presentation video so far if you wish to know more about it. Also, there's lots more information over in our Facebook group. Basically, I have a train, several trains actually, and several buses, and each journey we're going to be taking a look at vintage Britain from tip to toe and going over into Wales and Scotland and a little bit of Ireland as well. And we'll be having side quests with the bush routes, looking at different things as well. And lots and lots of journals on the way. And of course, we're going to have some companion print packs too. And I'm so excited about this project, guys. Nobody else is doing this. And it's going to be I'm just so excited. It's going to be so much fun to do. Last but not least, Yorkshire Day is coming up on August the 1st. I have spent the last few days designing a lovely 10-page print pack for you, which is available now over in Patreon. There are, of course, some freebies in Facebook, and our next video I'll be making a 4-page spread all about the lovely Yorkshire Day. So thanks ever so much for watching today, guys. I hope you found the video interesting. Please do join Facebook and also Patreon. You can do everything for free as well. You don't have to pay, but obviously the better print packs are paid for. Please drop me a thumbs up if you've liked today's video. Consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future, especially the new future big project that's coming up. But for now, guys, happy crafting and take care.